Welcome back to our Films PYQ series in which we are decoding Films PYQs from 1979 to 2024. को बता दूं, this is the part where we are dealing with personalities and books and newspapers. It is a part 6 of the video. For other parts, you can check out the playlist. Question number 1, 2001 का है. Arya Samaj was founded in 1835. Now this is wrong. Arya Samaj was founded in 1875. तो अगर मैं eliminate कर दूं, तो I can eliminate easily first statement. Now Lala Lajpat Rai opposed the appeal of Arya Samaj to authority of Vedas in support of its social reform program. Now this is wrong. Lala Lajpat Rai was a supporter of Arya Samaj. So this is not correct. If I'm eliminating B and C because दो था उसमें, I automatically get my answer 3 and 4. Vinoba Bhave founded the Sarvodaya Samaj to work among refugees. Under Keshav Chandra Sen, the Brahmo Samaj campaigned for women education. Answer is D. Arya Samaj, you can see Lala Lajpat Rai never opposed Arya Samaj. Question number 2 पे आते हैं. Who amongst the following Englishmen first translated Bhagavad Gita into English? Now it is Charles Wilkins. बहुत factual question है, but ये पता होना चाहिए. William Jones was associated with Asiatic Society of Bengal. Answer is B. Charles Wilkins. He was a member of Asiatic Society of Bengal and he translated Bhagavad Gita into English in 1794. Here are some of the components of our PSP. You can take the screenshot of it, and here are of the USP of our PSP. Question number 3 पे आते हैं. During the Indian freedom struggle, who among the following proposed that Swaraj should be defined as complete independence, free from all foreign control? अगर आपने PYQ कर रखा है, हमारे प्लेलिस्ट के वीडियो देख रखे हैं, then it would be very easy for you because UPSC वापस 1980s के क्वेश्चन को घुमा रहा है, and the answer is मौलाना हजरत मोहानी, जिन्होंने सबसे पहले पूर्ण स्वराज की बात की थी. Maulana Hazrat Mohani proposed that Swaraj should be defined as complete independence, free from all foreign control in 1921, when he was presiding over the session of All India Muslim League in Lucknow. Next question पे आते हैं. Question number 4. The name of the famous person of India who returned the knighthood conferred on him by the British government as a token of protest against the atrocities in Punjab in 1919. This is 1919. Jallianwala Bagh massacre के बाद, who among these four actually returned the knighthood? It was Rabindranath Tagore who returned knighthood in the protest of Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Answer is C. Question number 5 पे आते हैं. In October 1920, who headed a group of Indians gathered at Tashkent to set up a Communist Party of India? Now again ये repeated question है. Communist Party of India UPSC ने जितनी बार भी पूछा है, the answer is M.N. Roy. Answer is D. So here is our CSAT course which has been launched. It is taken up by Devendra sir. You can scan the QR code and check out its features. Question number 6 पे आते हैं. Who among the following was associated as secretary with the Hindu female school, which later came to be known as Bethune Female School? Now, इसमें से it was not Sarojini Naidu or Devendranath Tagore or Besant. It was Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Now, UPSC has shifted its focus to Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. तो उनसे related details आपके लिए बहुत important. The answer is C here. In 1849, the Hindu female school was founded by J.E.D. Bethune, and in 1856, the British government took charge of the Hindu female school and later renamed it as Bethune School. Pandit Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar was made the secretary. That's why he was associated with it. Question number 7 पे आते हैं. Again, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar पे, he founded the Bethune School at Calcutta with the main aim of encouraging education for women. Second, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay was the first graduate of the Calcutta University. Third, Keshav Chandra Sen's campaign against sati led to the enactment of law. Now, this we all know. It was Raja Ram Mohan Roy's campaign against sati led to the enactment of the law. So third, I can easily eliminate, and one I automatically get the right. Talk about second statement. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay was the first graduate of Calcutta. Yes, it is correct. The answer is B. Moving to next question. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 2005 का क्वेश्चन है. तो चंपारण सत्याग्रह, अहमदाबाद मिल वर्कर स्ट्राइक एंड खेड़ा सत्याग्रह. तो इसको हमको मैच करना है. तो चंपारण में राजेंद्र प्रसाद थे, यस. अहमदाबाद मिल वर्कर्स में इट वाज नॉट मोरारजी देसाई, यहाँ नहीं थे वो. खेड़ा में वल्लभ भाई पटेल थे, यस. तो आंसर इज 1 and 3. आंसर इज सी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं. Which one of the following revolts was made famous by the Bankim Chandra Chatterjee in his novel आनंद मठ? आनंद मठ में जब उन्होंने लिखा था तो वो किसकी बात कर रहे थे? तो इट वाज नॉट रंगपुर और बिष्णुपुर और भिल, इट वाज सन्यासी रिबेलियन. आंसर इज डी. आनंद मठ इज ए बंगाली नॉवल रिटन बाय बंकिम चंद्र चैटर्जी एंड पब्लिश इन 1882. ये ध्यान रखिएगा. It was set in the background of Sannyasi rebellion in the late 18th century. बीकाजी कामा 2006 के बारे में क्वेश्चन है. मैडम कामा अनफर्ल्ड द नेशनल फ्लैग एट द इंटरनेशनल सोशलिस्ट कॉन्फ्रेंस इन पेरिस इन द ईयर 1907. अब उन्होंने पेरिस में नहीं किया था, जर्मनी में किया था. आंसर इज दिस. आंसर इज 2 and 3 because 1 is wrong and 3 automatically correct. Madam Kama served as private secretary to Dadabhai Naoroji. Yes, answer is 2 and 3 only. Stuttgart में Germany. Kama unfurled the national flag in 1907. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 पे आते हैं. Who among the following started the newspaper Shom Prakash? Shom Prakash was started by ईश्वर चंद्र विद्यासागर. You can again see ईश्वर चंद्र विद्यासागर. एक बार यूपीएससी ने थीम पिक कर लिया, बार बार उन्हीं से रिलेटेड डिटेल्स पूछ रहा है. But if I talk about Satyarth Prakash, that was by Dayanand Saraswati. The answer here is B. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, who started the newspaper Shom Prakash. Question number 12 पे आते हैं. Who among the following wrote the book Bahu Vivah? Bahu Vivah is talking about polygamy. Bahu is बहुत सारे and Vivah is Vivah marriage. Polygamy again Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar because his role was prominent in the legalizing of widow remarriage. The answer is this. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 पे आते हैं. द सॉन्ग अमर सोनार बांग्ला रिटन ड्यूरिंग स्वदेशी मूवमेंट इंस्पायर्ड द लिबरेशन स्ट्रगल ऑफ बांग्लादेश एंड वाज अडॉप्टेड एज द नेशनल एंथम. हु रोट दिस सॉन्ग? नाउ हु रोट दिस सॉन्ग? इसमें से सबसे फेमस ऑप्शन दिस रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर. आंसर इज डी. 1905 में बंगला में लिखा था. ये बांग्लादेश का भी नेशनल एंथम भी है. एंड टैगोर वाज द ओनली पर्सन टू राइट नेशनल एंथम ऑफ टू कंट्रीज, इंडिया एंड बांग्लादेश. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 पे आते हैं. हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग गांधीयन फॉलोअर्स वाज अ टीचर बाय प्रोफेशन? बहुत फैक्चुअल क्वेश्चन है. इट वाज नॉट राजेंद्र प्रसाद और सिन्हा और प्रसाद, इट वाज जेवी कृपलानी. आंसर इज सी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं. ऑथर के साथ वर्क को, उनके वर्क्स को मैच करना है. दीनबंधु मित्रा, ही रोट अबाउट इंडिगो रिवोल्ट एंड ही रोट अबाउट नील दर्पण इन हिज नील दर्पण. तो बी इज बेसिकली 3. आई कैन इजिली एलिमिनेट द अदर ऑप्शंस. आंसर इज सी. बंकिम चंद्र is Devi Chaudhary and Premchand is शतरंज के खिलाड़ी. Answer is C. Who gave the systematic critique of a moderate politics of the Indian National Congress in the series of articles entitled New Lamps for Old? 2008 का क्वेश्चन है. अब you know all these people, आरसी दत्त, सैयद अहमद खान and वीर राघवाचारी, they were actually moderates. तो ये आंसर नहीं है. औरबिंदो घोष was the person who was kind of extremist and he's the answer. क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 पे आते हैं. Who among the following used the phrase un-British to criticize the English colonial control of India? जितना भी हमने कर रखा है थी, poverty and un-British rule भी एक ही पर्सन ने लिखा था, which was दादा भाई नारोजी. Answer is C. Next question. Question number 18. Who among the following rejected the title of knighthood and refused to accept a position in the Council of Secretary of State for India? 2008 का क्वेश्चन है. Now it was the political guru of Gandhi who was Gokhale, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 पे आते हैं. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वाज अ जर्नल ब्रॉट आउट बाय अबुल कलाम आजाद? इट वाज अल हिलाल. नॉट कॉमरेड, नॉट जमींदार, नॉट इंडियन सोशलिस्ट. इट वाज बाय श्यामजी कृष्ण वर्मा, इंडियन सोशलिस्ट. अल हिलाल बाय मौलाना अबुल कलाम आजाद. It was a newspaper by Abul Kalam Azad and used as a medium for criticism of British Raj in India. It also espoused the cause of Indian independence movement and exhorted Indian Muslims to join the movement. The newspaper was shut down under the Press Act of 1914. ये ध्यान रखिएगा, make a note out of it. क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 पे आते हैं. There's a number error. 19 के बाद we are doing 21. There is some numerical error. Which one of the following statements is true about Annie Besant? She was the president of Indian National Congress. Yes, she was the president. She was the founder of Asiatic Society. No, she was never the founder of Asiatic Society. तो अपने आप I can easily eliminate second statement. I'm left with B and C. She was the founder of Theosophical Society. No, she was not the founder. She was a member of it. The answer is one only. Answer here is one only, which is answer here is C. The first woman president of the Indian National Congress was Annie Besant. Asiatic Society of Bengal was by William Jones. And the Theosophical Society was formed in 1875 in US by Blavatsky. Question number 22 पे आते हैं. During the freedom struggle, Aruna Asaf Ali was a major woman organizer of underground activity in. Underground activity सबसे ज़्यादा एक ही movement में हुआ था, which was Quit India movement. Answer is C. Who founded Ahmedabad Textile Labor Association? अब Ahmedabad Textile Labor Association में इन सब में से सिर्फ महात्मा गांधी was present. The answer is A. with reference to Indian freedom struggle, Usha Mehta, Amazon Prime में एक सीरीज भी है इनके नाम पे, and he was famous for running the secret Congress radio in the wake of Quit India movement because she was associated with the Quit India movement. Usha Mehta was a renowned Gandhian and freedom fighter. She was remembered for operationalizing the Congress radio called as Secret Congress Radio, which functioned for a few months during Quit India movement of 1942. Question number 25 पे आते हैं. Gandhi said that some of his deepest convictions were reflected in a book titled Unto This Last, and the book transformed his life. What was the message from the book that transformed Mahatma Gandhi? इसमें आते हैं. Uplifting the oppressed and poor is the moral responsibility of an educated man. No. The life of celibacy and spiritual pursuit are essential for noble life. No. The good of individual is contained in good of all. Now this is talking about कहीं ना कहीं virtue ethics, और यहीं से गांधी जी ने सर्वोदय का कंसेप्ट लिया था. That good of all, good for all. Moving to next question, which is question number 26. Which of the following parties were established by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar? Ambedkar साहब ने कौन सी parties establish की थी? 2012 का question है. तो he established Independent Labour Party, yes. He never established Peasant and Worker Party. So first you can eliminate. UPSC also wants you to do that. The answer is B. All India Scheduled Caste Federation and Independent Labour Party. Annie Besant was the founder of Theosophical Society. No, because अभी हमने देखा ये नहीं है, तो यूपीएससी ने देखो वापस रिपीट कर चुका है. I can easily eliminate. Once the president of Indian National Congress, yes. Responsible for starting the home rule movement, yes. Answer is C here. So question number 28, which is asked in 2013, and the question number 21 also, which was asked in 2008. ये दोनों repeated question है. Let's see how the UPSC repeats its question. बिल्कुल भी मेहनत नहीं किया यूपीएससी ने इसमें. क्वेश्चन नंबर 29 पे आते हैं. Who of the following were the economic critique of the colonialism in India? अब सभी क्रिटिक थे, सब मॉडरेट्स, तो नारोजी, दत्त एंड अय्यर ऑल वेर क्रिटिक्स. आंसर इज डी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 30 पे आते हैं. केशव चंद्र सेन इज एसोसिएटेड विद द एस्टैब्लिशमेंट ऑफ विच ऑफ द एबो. पे आते हैं. कैलकाटा यूनिटेरियन कमिटी, सेकंड Tabernacle of New Dispensation, and Indian Reform Association. Now answer is this 2 and 3, but in the exam condition it is very tough. But you know that one thing, that now UPSC is focusing on Keshav Chandra Sen also. So you need to read details about him. The answer is 2 and 3. In 1881, Keshav Chandra Sen established Navavidhan, meaning New Universalist Religion, after having differences within Brahmo Samaj. He was also a part of Indian Reform Association to legalize Brahmo marriage and to fix minimum age of marriage. Calcutta Unitarian Committee was formed by Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Darkanath Tagore, and William Adam. तो ये ध्यान रखिएगा, make a note out of it. Question number 31. Radhakant Dev was the first president of British Indian Association. सूर्यनाथ बनर्जी हमने देखा he was the founder of Indian Association, तो ये तो correct है. And Radhakant Dev, first president of British Indian Association, this is also correct. I'm left with this. Gazulu Lakshmi Narasu Chetty was the founder of Mahajan Sabha, Madras Mahajan Sabha. Madras Mahajan Sabha, no, this is wrong. The answer is 1 and 3. Question number 33 पे आते हैं. He wrote biographies of Mazzini, Garibaldi, Shivaji, and Sri Krishna. Stayed in America for some time and was also elected to Central Assembly. Now, after Swadeshi movement, when British adopted carrot and stick policy, it adopted carrot policy for moderates and gave in the form of Government of India Act 1909, but stick policy for extremists, जिसमें से तिलक को उन्होंने जेल भेज दिया, Aurobindo Ghosh retired, and Lala Lajpat Rai went to America, and he was the person who wrote all this. So answer is Lala Lajpat Rai. Moving to next question. Question number 34 पे आते हैं. Which among the following events happened earliest? स्वामी दयानंद established आर्य समाज. ये PYQ है, हमने देखा पहले से 1875 में उन्होंने establish किया. Satyendrath Tagore became the first Indian to succeed in Indian Civil Services examination. Now Satyendrath cleared UPSC during that time, और British UPSC during 1863 में लगभग उन्होंने clear किया. Now Deenbandhu wrote नील दर्पण. नील दर्पण was about Indigo Revolt. तो उसी टाइम में लिखा था. He wrote that नील दर्पण around 1859-60. बंकिम चंद्र चट्टोपाध्याय wrote Anand Math. He wrote Anand Math during around 1882. The answer here is B. Deenbandhu wrote नील दर्पण, because पूछा इसमें से कौन सा सबसे पहले हुआ था. The answer is B here. In 1920, which of the following changed its name to Swarajya Sabha? Swarajya Sabha is Swa is self और होम, राज्य इज बेसिकली रूल, तो स्वराज्य सभा इज होम रूल, कहीं से कहीं रिलेट करता है। इसमें से चारों ऑप्शन में सबसे कॉमन ऑप्शन यही है जो कि स्वराज के बारे में बात कर रहा है, तो ऑल इंडिया होम रूल लीग इज द आंसर। You can also write a note about other thing. South India Liberal Foundation, which is called as Justice Party, formed in 1916, and E.V. Ramaswamy Naikar or Periyar is a prominent personality associated with it. The Servant of India Society, formed in Maharashtra in 1905 by Gopal Krishna Gokhale, who left the Deccan Education Society to form this association. And Hindu Mahasabha, formed by Madan Mohan Malviya and Punjabi leaders in 1915. Question number 36 में आते हैं। Who among the following were the founders of Hind Mazdoor Sabha established in 1948? बहुत tricky question है. Try to eliminate options. M.N. Roy, Deen Dayal Upadhyay, and J.P. Narayan is not the answer. That is a very tricky question, and it is kind of factual question, but UPSC has given you the clue that labor as a theme is very important. And here an answer is Ashok Mehta, T.S. Ramanujan, and G.G. Mehta. The founding conference elected Comrade Ashok Mehta as the General Secretary and G.G. Mehta and V.S. Mathur as secretaries. क्वेश्चन नंबर 37 पे आते हैं। विद रेफरेंस टू इंडियन नेशनलिस्ट मूवमेंट, पर्सन को हेड करना है, पर्सन को मैच करना है पोजीशन हेडेड बाय देम। तो तेज बहादुर सप्रू वाज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ ऑल इंडिया लिबरल फेडरेशन, यस। पीसी जोशी वाज जनरल सेक्रेटरी ऑफ कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी ऑफ इंडिया, यस। एसी नियोगी वाज अ मेंबर ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूंट असेंबली, यस। ऑल आर करेक्ट, आंसर इज डी। ऑल इंडिया एंटी अनटचेबिलिटी लीग बाय महात्मा गांधी, यस, ही वाज एक्टिवली कैंपेनिंग। ऑल इंडिया किसान सभा बाय स्वामी सहजानंद सरस्वती, यस। सेल्फ रेस्पेक्ट मूवमेंट by E.V. Ramaswamy Naikar, yes, the answer is D. Gandhi set up All India Anti-Untouchability League in 1932. All India Kisan Congress or Sabha was founded in Lucknow in 1936 with Swami Sahajanand Saraswati as its president and N.G. Ranga as the general secretary. Question number 39 पे आते हैं। The Rakmabai case of 1884 involved around, अब उस time there was not the issue of women education but of others, तो it was not of women right to gain education नहीं था, तो अपने आप एक और द आंसर एज ऑफ कंसेंट एंड रेस्टिट्यूशन ऑफ कॉन्जुगल राइट्स। लास्ट क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं। हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग इज एसोसिएटेड विद द सॉन्ग्स फ्रॉम प्रिजन, अ ट्रांसलेशन ऑफ एंशिएंट इंडियन रिलीजियस लिरिक्स इन इंग्लिश। जब भी ऐसा कोई क्वेश्चन आए, गो विद द मोस्ट पॉपुलर ऑप्शन। मोस्ट पॉपुलर एंड मोस्ट रेस्पेक्टेड ऑप्शन इज महात्मा गांधी, एंड ही wrote this thing, songs from prison in English. So with this we complete this video. Thank you and stay tuned for further updates.